Moving forward for the people of Bonaire on the list of non-self-governing territories of the United Nations. I have in my hand an assessment of self-governance, sufficiency, and conformity with international recognized laws and standards for the country of Bonaire. Where did this assignment originated from? Who conducted this assessment? And how much this assessment costs? Why was this assessment conducted? Well, today, my friends, I will answer all those questions. Where? Mr. Finney submitted a letter to the Antillean government, the Dutch government, and then Queen Beatrix in 2010, objecting to the illegal actions in 8th of October 2010. He sent that letter. 10-10-10, according to United Nations Charter and international law. This assessment has proven that 10-10-10 was an illegal act according to international law. Why? After the referendum results of 2015, where 66% of the people voted no, Mr. Finney spoke at the Decolonization Committee at the United Nations in 2016, where he found it necessary to prove to the world his assertions were supported by United Nations decolonization experts. Who conducted it? Was it carried out by a body of, it was carried out by a body of experts accredited by the United Nations. The government of Bonaire was asked by Mr. Finney to pay for this report. Even though the government supported Mr. Finney, they either did not or could not fund it. We asked them to support this trajectory of going directly to the region UN member states, but they insist on asking the Dutch government, who ignored them, refusing to Mr. Finney and the UN expert advice. The cost of this assessment report was $30,000. And yes, my friends, $30,000. We, as civil society, went ahead and raised the funds with donation drives from the people for the people. Eventually, after 3 years, we raised $30,000 for this report. After the completion of this report, the Bonaire Human Rights Organization and James Finney left Bonaire with great determination to Latin America, Central America, and the Caribbean, North America, in the space of 536 days to present this report to the regional countries, members of the United Nations. Sorry. Because Mr. Finney had the foresight for the Bonairean people right to self-determination. Our cause is now at the United Nations.